Hi everybody. Today I'm gonna show you about Niagara particle system in Unreal Engine. If you go to this website, creating visual effect in Niagara for Unreal Engine, you'll see detail about Niagara VFX system. Here they explain about it. It's a primary tool, a visual effect tool used in Unreal Engine 5. Previously we used particle system, which I show you in previous tutorial. And here you can have a Niagara tutorial, Niagara fluids, pollution in Niagara custom mode, debugging and reference. So if you go to the tutorial, here they explain about a lot of tutorial, how to enable plugin, how to spite smooth, GPU spite, particle light, steam, beam, dark smooth, sparks and other tutorial. You can see detail about this tutorial and how you can make that particle like that. So back to our level. Here is our level. So in my folder Saiful, in fx I create a folder, I name it Niagara. I can create a empty. If we go to right button and Niagara, here we see four option: new system, empty. We can import other. If we go to the first one, I will see that you will see a lot of option like static beam, directional, dynamic beam. So I just add directional burst, and if I open it, if you open it, you can see a burst like that going to one side. We can right button and add the system, and we can go to again, we can create a dynamic beam, add the dynamic beam and finish it. Here is our dynamic beam. It's still, but after a few seconds it's go translucent and we can see it again after a few moment later. There is a fountain, I add fountain and finish, and if I open it, I can see the fountain. There is other option also like upward mesh burst. If we add it, we can go inside, and if we open it, we can see a burst like that. It just go upward. We also can create a empty one, but if we open it, there is nothing inside it, but all other the parameters and selection is same like the other default option, default Niagara particle which we have. Now in our level, if we drag and drop the Niagara particle, we can see it's a beam, it's a fountain. I make it up. Now if we play, we can see the power fountain and we can also see the beam. And we can modify it, we can use it as our own. I will show you. So here is our fountain, and here is our selection option, and here is our main event. Now I add few function and I modify it. Here also the empty have also the main function but not the other one. So I, from the user experience, I press the plus sign, and from here I search a name called linear color, and I name it first. I'm using both first and second one, so that's why I name it first. Then I add another one and I name it second. And now from the main, I we select the main, and if we go to user parameters, we see first and second, and we just change the color, but it will not affect the particle. I give one pink and one is green, and I just give it to random. It doesn't have any purpose. I just want to see. So from initial particle, if we change the color, you can see the color effect on the particle. If we make it green, it will make green. If we make it blue, it will make blue. And if we make it red, it will make red. So from here I add a function called random range linear light. And now you can see two options, minimum light and maximum light. So I drag and drop the first to first and the second to the maximum. And now we can see the color between the pink and the green which we add, and it will differ. Now you also have lifetime on the particle. After it goes to here, it will just disappear because we add a lifetime. So there are other options, and we can change the option and see our how it affect on the particle. We can change the size. If we make 2020, it will become very big like this, but still it destroy after a few seconds. But if we want, we can increase it. So from the direction, we can have light mode. There is a direction mode. There is only not minimum maximum, just one time, but I select the random one, and we can minimize use lifetime mean and max. So I give 1.4 and 10, and after 10 seconds to 1 second it will destroy. Now you can see it go further beyond the floor, but if we decrease it, it will go after 2 seconds. So there is other use of Niagara particle. Mainly it's main VFX tool in Unreal Engine 5. We can see we can give effect like that, and it's very powerful, very easy, very handy tool. We can make like that. So I hope you like this tutorial. See you in next tutorial.